We're outside in our hometown of Philadelphia with our Fusion bumper. We want to see how the Apple and Samsung handle some serious drops. Took the Fusion bumpers off these phones. Let's see what happens when we drop them without Fusion bumper. Here we go. That's what happens when you don't use Fusion bumper.